Abasolwa bavele enkantolo eManchester White River namhlanje bebhekene necala lokwephula umthetho ongena nokuphuma kuleli. Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luthi abasolwa basengezimithio emaphepheni abo ongena kuleli kanti kangeke babuyiselwe kwela kubo njengoba sebebekwa amacala.
When the accused left their country in Libya, they were coming here in South Africa to study, and where they were arrested, they were not studied, they were doing training to become soldiers, so they misrepresented in their visa application.
Abasolwa basamile kutheni abanacala.
Hey my friend, we are innocent. We are from Benghazi and we are innocent. Yeah, I don't know. We are security service.
Amaphoyisa seMpumalanga athi khona amanye amacala awaphenyayo ngabasolwa.
Luphenyo ngala kulelinye elihlangothi lusaqhubeka. Siyathemba ukuthi ke kungayendeka ukuthi kungetwe lamanye emacala mayelana nabo laba. Lokunye lokhu sifuna ukundlulisa kubahlali ngilendzaba yomnikati weliplazi noma umuntu lo beka trainer labantu. Ngobe labanye bayakhuluma ukuthi amaphoyisa awendi lutho, umbuso awendi lutho noma government uyekelile lendzaba kanti akusinjalo.
Kunxusa umphakathi ukuthi wehlisa umoya.
Sithandza kuwatisa bahlali ukuthi umsebenzi wethu uma uphenya awuqali ngokubopha, uqala ngokuphenya. Uma sewucedzile kuphenya ubeke bufakati lobunele ubese ke ubuhambisa buya emanje. Sisebenzisana nalaba be-National Prosecution Authority noma bashushisi ukuthi basigayide. So siyacela ukuthi ke ake basibekedelela, akusho ukuthi sekusibuyekelile. Sisachubeka neliphenyo. Siyathemba ukuthi ke ekugcineni kutawuba nokulungiswa.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo ngomsombuluko zayo ukuze inkantolo izothola utolika okhuluma ulwimi lwesi-Arabhu.